It's Super Nitro. Super Nitro, get the chicken.
Oh no!
Adobo.
Alright.
Oh.
Let's go, baby boy.
Uy, let's go.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Nitro, anong kinakain mo, ha?
Para yan sa
Tinapay?
mga ducks.
Yes, it's para sa mga bibe. Mamaya, it's not for the Pabibe, it's for the bibe. Mabuhay, Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Welcome back sa Isang Vlog starring Pabibe.
Bebe.
At Pabibe.
Ciao. Ciao.
So today, don't you fam, it's Sabado, it's the weekend. Kaya pupunta kami dito sa park, or park, ang tawag dito, pag Australian accent.
Dwaine, pack na pack.
Park. Ayun. So, andito kami sa park ngayon at maghahanap kami ng mga bibe at papakainin namin ng mga bibe na yan. Alright, kasama namin si Pabibe. Magpakain sa mga bibe. Diba? Okay. Yes.
Kung may matitira pang bread kasi kinain na ni Nitro lahat ng...
Oo nga eh. So, magandang mga park dito. It's very maintained ngayon. Inaayos nila yung park. Inaayos nila yung daan.
Yung maganda dito, yung park nyo, hindi maraming semento at saka gate. Alam mo,
True.
kasi sa Pilipinas, hindi lahat sa Pilipinas. Pero mostly napansin ko, kahit sa amin, dun sa Carigara, yung dati ang ganda ng park namin. Kaya lang, hindi ko alam ba't linagyan ng parang gate around the park. So, parang kailangan mong pumasok dun sa...
Parang prisohan na siya.
Oo, tapos basta, ang pangit kasi ng park na may ano ba yun?
Alad.
Alad. Ano itong alad?
Oh, may alad dyan, oh.
Hindi, kasi ito, inaayos kasi nila, kaya naglagay sila ng ganyan.
So, yeah, nakaka-relax talaga ang mga park dito sa Australia. Ngayon, we're meeting up with mga pinsan ni Nitro, sina Romeo at Nyla. And then yung kapatid ko na sina Amberly and bayaw ko na si VJ. Gala-gala tayo ngayon, di ba, Bibi?
Uy, meron akong napuntahan na park dun sa Manila na maganda, na walang mga gate.
Ano yun?
Sa malapit sa Fairview ata yun, nakalimutan ko. Basta meron din mga park na maganda, like sobrang lawak din na maganda. Pero yung mga ibang park linalagyan nila ng... Ano nga dito? Ba't maraming gate?
Yeah, kasi inaayos nila. So it's a temporary fence so that you can't go there while they're fixing stuff. Para hindi ka ma-disgrasya sa mga makina nila.
Wow, minikaniko ni Maniko.
Minikaniko ni Monica ang makina ng manika ni Monica.
Minikaniko ni Moniko ang makina ni Monica sa Marunong.
Ayun. Ayun o, may mga bibe na. Yes.
May pelican dito, malaki.
Yes, meron din.
Hindi ko alam nasaan.
Oh, Nitro, can you see them? Can you see all the birds? Huh? Dami, no? Nitro! Can you go on the swings?
Gusto ni Nitro pumunta sa swing.
Yeah, he wants to go on the swings, don't you? Woohoo, baby! Woohoo! Look, Nitro pelican. Wow, malaki, no?
Malaki siya in person.
Oo, super. Malaki siyang ibon. Nangingisda siya.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may PhilTalk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, PhilTalk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to PhilTalk today.
Oh, Nitro.
Mio!
Over here. Do you know?
Look, it's Nitro.
Hello.
Nitro! It's Nitro! Oh, look,
You wanna
it's
get play?
Naila
You wanna
May.
get play with your cousins? Huh?
Look, Naila May.
You play with your pinsan. Yes, come on. Come on.
You can play now. Go, go, go.
Come on. Get you out of there. Woohoo! Nitro, look!
Nitro,
Woo!
nice there.
Hey, you gonna go on this one? You going on the spinny one? You gonna spin around? Oh, you're spinning! Oh! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Oh,
Nitro,
Nitro.
spinning, spinning, Nitro.
Hey,
You go on the swing? Go on the swing with your cousin Nyla. Yeah.
she's so
Go on the swing.
Hi! Hi, girl!
Swing ka na, baby.
How do you remember me?
Give to Nitro. Yay! Good girl. Hey, salamat.
Yeah, whenever I give Nyla
Say
biscuits.
thank you. Thank you.
You know, she sees me, she smiles. She usually scowls at Amber used to scowl. If you wanted to take her photo, she'd scowl at you.
Because like with her, she would throw a tantrum because she wants to do something.
I've got photo proof, Amber.
Like Romeo never did. Darling, over here, we're gonna go on the swing.
Nitro, look. Look at all the Corellas.
Ano, baka mahulog si
Yeah,
Nitro.
no, I got him. No, watch him. You get him. You get him. Look, look, Nitro. Look. Look. Oh, you got a stick. You're gonna fight him with a stick, are ya? Careful, careful, careful. Be careful, careful, careful. I got him. Careful. He just wants to chuck it in there. Oh, very good. You can't get it. You're trying to chuck it in the pond, aren't you? Go on. Yeah, very good.
Pupunta si Nitro tsaka si Dwaine sa slide. Itong slide. Yung tube. Kasi natatakot siya. Romeo, go! Go, Romeo! Go! Si Nitro na tsaka si Dave. Uy, yung paa ni Nitro ha, bantayan mo.
Come on, Nitro.
Ready, baby? We'll go down the slide. Ready?
Woo! Go,
Okay,
Nitro!
Nitro, ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. He's looking his face.
Yay!
Okay, ito na. Sunod na slide. Okay, Nitro. Ready? Oh. Ready?
He's smiling. He wants to go back. Oh, nalipong na.
Go, Romeo. Go on. Alright, Dundra fam. Ito na, ang katapusan ng vlog natin for today. As you can see, I've been working on my Captain board game. Dito sa table. Yes. Working on it, getting it fixed, polishing it, all that stuff. Pabibe. Yes, ngayon, pinamakain ko na si Nitro. With Dex. Alright guys, maraming salamat sa panonood. And keep sa sunod video natin. And shoutout po pala sa mga pinsan at cousins.